This is the latest bike from the Husqvarna, which is the Swatpillion 401. हम लेके आए ये बाइक का एक डिटेल्ड रिव्यू. वेलकम बैक टू मोटर वर्ल्ड इंडिया. माय नेम इज़ जय कुमार और वी विल लेट यू नो एवरीथिंग अबाउट दिस बाइक. बट बिफोर वी स्टार्ट विद द लॉन्ग टर्म रिव्यू, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द ब्रांड. Husqvarna ये ब्रांड इंडिया में एंटर हुआ था इन द ईयर 2019 and they launched two bikes at that time, which is the Whitpillion and Swatpillion. That was in 250cc. Unfortunately, they didn't do well in terms of sales. So that's why this time Husqvarna has launched the 401 in Swatpillion. Husqvarna का ये कहना है कि अगर ये बाइक सक्सेसफुल दिखाता है in terms of sales number, then they will definitely launch the 401 in the Whitpillion as well. So that's about the Husqvarna brand. Now let's start with the detailed review of this bike. So compared to the old Swatpillion, let's look at what are the changes on this updated version. Headlight has been changed. Previously आपको एक छोटा headlight मिलता था, अभी now you get a big headlight surrounded by daylight running LED. उसके बाद TFT screen has been replaced. Previously आपको एक छोटा TFT display मिलता था circular वाला, now it's the 5-inch TFT display. Tank previously used to get a 9.5 liters of fuel capacity wala tank, now it is 13.5 liters. That also has been increased. Seat height earlier was 842 mm, now that has been reduced to 820 mm. So for shorter riders like me, the ride has become much more comfortable. Talking about the rear profile, previously आपको hugger मिलता था, now that has been replaced by the tail. So which also makes the bike 20% larger, and the tires have been replaced by stock tires from Pirelli. ये spoke wheels वाले tire है, alloys are missing and it's not a tubeless tire. So that's about the tires of this updated version Swatpillion 401. अगर आपको KTM Duke 390 का इंजन पसंद है पर उसका इमेज का इशू है, सो दिस इज़ एन ऑप्शन फॉर यू. द Swatpillion 401, इट्स अ सिबलिंग ऑफ द ड्यूक 390. टायर्स आप देखते हो तो टायर्स आपको स्टॉक टायर्स मिलते हैं पिरेली से, ये स्पोक व्हील्स के साथ आते हैं एंड दीज आर नॉट ट्यूबलेस. आगे का जो सेक्शन है वो है 110/70, पीछे का जो सेक्शन है वो है 150/60. बोथ आर 17 इंचेस. इसका जो प्रीवियस वेरिएंट था द Whitpillion 250, इट यूज टू कम विथ alloy व्हील्स और वो ट्यूबलेस टायर्स थे. आई विश इफ वी वुड हैव सीन दोस टायर्स ऑन दिस बाइक. हेडलाइट जो है, हेडलाइट काफ़ी बड़ा दिया है कंपेयर टू द प्रीवियस वन. इट कम्स विथ अ राउंड डे लाइट रनिंग LED स्ट्रिप. उसके बाद आप जब डिस्प्ले देखते हो, इसका इंस्ट्रूमेंट क्लस्टर भी काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग है. इट इज़ अट्रैक्टिव. इट्स अ 5-inch TFT डिस्प्ले एंड इट इज़ नाइसली हिडन ओवर हियर. जैसे आप देख सकते हो फ्रॉम दिस पर्टिकुलर एंगल इट इज़ नॉट ईजिली सीन, सो आई लाइक दैट. डिस्प्ले जो है वो काफ़ी इंफॉर्मेटिव है. लेफ़्ट साइड में आपको फ्यूल इंडिकेशन मिलता है. फ्यूल इंडिकेशन की ख़ास बात ये है, जब आप टैंक फुल करते हो तो आपको वो वाइट कलर में दिखता है, बट एज सुन एज यू हिट द रिजर्व द कलर चेंजेस टू रेड, सो दैट्स क्वाइट नाइस. उसके बाद बीच में जब देखते हो तो आपको स्पीडोमीटर दिखता है. नीचे जो है वो इंजन RPM का है, उसके नीचे आपको ओडोमीटर दिखता है, बैटरी वोल्टेज है, एवरेज स्पीड है, ट्रिप A, ट्रिप B, और नीचे आपको राइडिंग मोड्स दिखते हैं. अभी फ़िलहाल के लिए ये बाइक पे एक ही मोड है, विच इज़ द स्ट्रीट मोड. उसके बाद बीच में आपको ABS दिखता है. अगर आपने पिछले वाले टायर का ABS ऑफ किया है, so that is something which you can see over here. Same is with the traction control. राइट हैंड साइड पे अगर आप देखते हो तो आपको इंजन का टेम्परेचर दिखता है एंड इट्स अ वेरी इंफॉर्मेटिव डिस्प्ले आई वुड से. इसके बाद आपको एक रिड्यूस्ड फीचर भी मिलता है. सो रिड्यूस्ड फीचर में आपको सिर्फ स्पीडोमीटर मिलता है, इंजन RPM मिलता है और गियर पोजिशनिंग भी मिलता है, इंडिकेशन. what is missing is fuel indication. If that could have been added for the reduced option, that would be nice. So that's about the TFT display of this bike. The tank of the SWAT Pillion 401 is large. The fuel capacity has been increased to 13.5 liters, and it also comes with the extensions. Which add to the visual mass of the bike. Iske jo edges hai, they come with a sudden cut which has a branding of 401. I wish in terms of branding they could have mentioned the SWAT Pillion. टैंक अगर आप देखते हो तो आपको टैंक पे एक लगेज रैक भी मिलता है. सो व्हेन यू आर गोइंग ऑन लॉन्ग राइड्स आप एक टैंक बैग भी लगा सकते हो. हैंडल बार जो है, इट्स अ सिंगल पीस हैंडल बार विच इज़ कन्वीनियंटली प्लेस्ड. हाउएवर ऑन द अदर हैंड, व्हेन इट कम्स टू एडजस्टिंग द सस्पेंशंस, it has become more tedious because you need to get off the bike and go all the way around to adjust the suspension. Switch controls जो है, switch controls come with a matte finish and they give a premium look. उसके अलावा indicators जो है, they come with a LED setup giving it a more minimal look. Rear has now become much more broader, so that's about the overall design. The seat of the SWAT Pillion 401, it comes with a split seat setup. उसके अलावा इसका जो सीट हाइट है, that has been reduced from 842 mm to 820 mm compared to the previous variant. So it's a good thing because for short riders like me it is much more accessible. उसके अलावा इसका जो आप सीट देखते हो, that has been increased by 100 mm more compared to the previous variant. The rear profile of this motorcycle, it comes with a tail setup. You also get a LED tail lamp which is nicely integrated in the design. What is missing is the tire hugger. I wish if tire hugger would have been there, uske upar they could have kept the number plate which would have gone well with the minimalistic look. उसके अलावा अगर आप देखते हो तो इसका जो rear profile है वो broader दिखता है compared to the previous SWAT Pillion variant. So that's about the rear profile. Overall अगर आप देखते हो तो it has been 20% increased compared to the previous variant. So when you ride this bike, it gives you a premium and a much more mature look. Overall, the SWAT Pillion 401, it looks 20% larger compared to the SWAT Pillion 250. So this is about the overall design of this bike. The SWAT Pillion 401 is currently available with a 390cc engine. इसका जो sister है, the Wit Pillion, that comes with a 250cc engine itself. However, what Husqvarna says is, if this bike does well in terms of sales, then they will launch the same engine in the Wit Pillion 2. इसका जो engine है, it is same as you see on the Duke 390. Duke 390 का engine काफ़ी aggressive है. इसका थोड़ा laid back performance है ये engine का. It's a liquid cool engine, 390cc का engine है, which churns out a 42.9 bhp at 9000 rpm. इसका जो टॉर्क है, that is 39 न्यूटन मीटर्स ऑफ टॉर्क which you can see it at 7000 rpm. It's a single cylinder engine. So ये सेगमेंट में काफ़ी अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस है ये सिंगल सिलेंडर इंजन का. Now let's see how this bike rides on the road. राइडिंग के मामले में when it is at ideal, it exactly sounds like the Duke 390. Acceleration is quick, but it is not as aggressive as the KTM. Rev it harder and you get the instant torque. That's when this single cylinder motor will give you the thrill as you get on the KTM. 5000 rpm onwards, you get the instant push. That's when you can feel the maximum torque. And that's the spot where the motor is more comfortable. Doing triple digit speed on the highways is a charm. Cruising at 100 to 120 kilometers per hour is the sweet spot of the motor. Vibrations do creep in on the foot pegs and the handlebar post 6000 rpm, but they are not substantial enough to distract you. The engine is quite peppy and has enough grunt to surpass the 140 km per hour mark with a breeze. But it's not as the angry young man, unlike the KTM. The SWAT Pillion 401, it comes with a quick shifter. So on highways, it works brilliantly well. However, during the city commute, it does feel a bit junky. When it comes to the handling of this bike, you do feel the KTM 390 chassis with the sharp handling during quick maneuvers, but everything here is much more calmer than the KTM. However, we feel the heat was a bit less on the highway runs. The Swatpillion 401 gets the same suspension setup as on the KTM. WP Apex inverted 4-cup, that's the front suspension, and preloaded and rebound adjustable WP Apex monoshock, which you get at the rear. Having said that, it is tuned very well for your daily use, whether it's in the highway or in the city. The setup fantastically cushions those annoying potholes and rumbler strips at lower RPMs. Even at higher speeds, the firm setup ensures stability on those uneven stretches, which makes the overall ride more planted. The Swatpillion 401 का braking system is same as compared to the KTM Duke 390. ये बाइक का आपको बाइब्रेक का सेटअप मिलता है with dual channel ABS front and rear, which makes the bike feel reassuring. सामने 320 mm का disc brake है, which gives an excellent bite, all because of the sintered brake pads. However, at the rear you get a 240 mm disc with normal brake pads, which makes the braking slightly delayed. But in case of sudden braking, you can easily halt the bike at whatever speed you are, which gives you more confidence while revving at higher RPMs. It is not just the brakes, even tires, they help you while stopping the bike. Swatpillion 401, it comes with stock tires from Pirelli. इसके अगर आप टायर्स देखते हो तो ये Pirelli के स्टॉक रैली टायर्स है. फ्रंट प्रोफाइल जो है वो 110/70 का है और पीछे का जो प्रोफाइल है वो है 150/60. Both the tires are 17 inches and they provide excellent traction on the road as well as light rails. On wet surface, the rear tire isn't that assuring. At higher RPMs on the highway, the story is much different as the block patterns did provide enough traction even post 120 km/h. Mileage is something which you shouldn't be looking if you have this bike, because this bike likes to be pampered a lot on highways as well as in cities. As I said, the moment you press the throttle, the bike just goes off. So mileage is something which is kind of okay. You can expect a mileage of between 22 to 25 km/L. However, it depends on how you ride this bike. The Swatpillion 401 stands as a nice proposition from Husqvarna. It is 20,000 cheaper as compared to the KTM Duke 390. On KTM Duke 390, you get the ABS cornering feature, you get the riding modes. So these are the two things which is a miss on the Swatpillion 401. इसके अलावा अगर आप ये बाइक देखते हो तो overall it's a very good bike. Previously जो Swatpillion आई थी, it didn't do that well in the market. However, Husqvarna has worked a lot on this bike and they have relaunched the Swatpillion with a 390cc engine, and it is a bike which you should definitely ride. Talking about its competitors, so it competes with the Scrambler as well as the Speed from Triumph, the 400. So overall, compared to these two bikes too, the Swatpillion 401 is much more better, and it is also priced at a very good point, at a very good price point. So overall, it's a very good bike. If you're looking for a bike which is different or which has a different image compared to the KTM Duke 390, then this is the one which you can definitely go for. Talking about the test ride, ये bike का test ride available है in your nearest KTM dealerships. So जैसे कि हमने पहले कहा है that KTM owns Husqvarna, so Husqvarna और KTM का dealership same ही है. इसका सर्विस जो है that is also looked after by KTM, so you don't have to worry about it. So overall, it's a very good bike. It is also a bit of a off-roading bike. So if you're looking for a bike जिसमें आपको थोड़ा off-roading भी चाहिए क्योंकि इसको block pattern के टायर्स दिए हुए हैं, so this is a bike. It's a mixture of a street as well as the off-roader, you can say. So that was the detailed review of this Swatpillion 401. Do let us know in the comment section what's your take on this bike. If you're fond of reading reviews, please do visit our website, which is motorworldindia.com. And if you have liked this review, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. This is your host Jaykumar Limay signing off. Thank you for watching Motor World India.